Hello everyone, welcome back to GeoVision Technical Support. Today we're going to add the GV-IA1330 to GV Cloud Access Control. So let's get started. The GV-IA1330 Intercom Controller features a built-in 2-megapixel camera and a 13.56 MHz reader. Designed for integration with the GV Cloud Access Control platform, it enables cloud-based access management for up to 100,000 cards. The camera captures snapshots and streams live video of entry or exit events to GV Cloud Access Control. When the GV-IA1330's call button is pressed, the platform displays an incoming call screen. Allowing the operator to view the live video, communicate with the visitor, and control the door. Configure on GV-IA1330's webpage. From the GV-IA1330 webpage, go to Setup, then Network, then Platform Access. Enter your GV Cloud account ID. Now, set a password for the controller to connect to GV Cloud Access. From here, enter GV Cloud VMS host code and password. Add GV-IA1330 on GV Cloud Access Control. Next, from the GV Cloud Access dashboard, click Add Device. Click the search icon. Select the GV-IA1330. Enter the password you previously set on the device webpage. After that, enable the door you want to use with the controller. Now click Save. Let's demonstrate the GV-IA1330's functions. From GV Access Control dashboard, we have options to unlock door, force unlock and force lock, force authentication mode, release door operation. If we press and hold the door icon, we can unlock the door from the access control dashboard. By clicking on the door name, we can see snapshot of the last event. From here, we can see snapshot of the event and details of the event on right side, and option to see live video. On the dashboard, we can see access control logs. Here we can see snapshot of the person entry, card number, device, gate, time, and username. Now let's check the call function. When a visitor clicks the GV-IA1330's button, it will display a call window. Operator can answer, reject the call, and open the door for the visitor. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.